This oven-baked sweet and spicy glazed salmon recipe is light, comes together quickly, and is an elegant presentation perfect for a weeknight dinner for two. Whisk together a tablespoon of sweet pepper jelly in the bottom of your salad bowl, along with some olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of salt and fresh grind pepper. Give it a good whisk, and then we'll be ready to put in your favorite salad add-ons. In this case, I'm going to put shallots and some snap peas in the bottom. Snip up some fresh mint, and then I'm going to add some glorious cherry tomatoes. Time to make the glaze for the salmon. We're going to start with that pepper jam jelly. We're going to add a bit of cayenne pepper. Trust me, it gives it just the right amount of spice. Give it a good whisk. Now we're going to score the salmon skin. This helps the salmon's fat render. We're going to cut several slits in the skin, and then we're going to pat the salmon dry before painting on that pepper glaze. We're going to bake the salmon on a superheated baking sheet. This renders some of the fat, which is a fancy way to say it causes the fat to dissolve or transform into a liquid. Now we're going to bake that salmon for about 9 minutes. Then I put it on a plate and serve it with the mixed green salad with the pepper jam vinaigrette that we created. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel, and you can get the recipes at ourtablefor2.com.